Vention is the modular manufacturing platform built for the way factories actually work. Fast, flexible, ready to scale. The structural backbone behind every workstation, cart, and jigs and fixtures is the extrusion. Available across hundreds of pre-engineered templates, or build your own design in Vention's machine builder. Drag, drop, configure, and walk away with a quote, a bill of material, and a delivery date in just a few clicks. Assemble it yourself with a single Allen key, or have it shipped fully pre-assembled, ready to roll onto your floor on day one. One workstation or 100, same speed, same standard. When it's time to expand your facility, scale with a partner who moves at the pace of manufacturing. Design it today. Deploy it next week. Scale with Vention. Because Vention is more than a supplier. We partner with you to deliver exactly what you need, when and how you need it.